Hello friends and welcome back to my channel. My name is Katelyn from Florals.com and today I am very excited to be announcing the next series that'll be featured here on my YouTube channel for the next 3 months of September, October, and November 2020. So buckle your seatbelts and get ready because we are diving in, and as you saw from the intro card, we are doing minimal mixed media. If you haven't been following my channel, you might not know that I own a ton of mixed media supplies, but I rarely use them. I like to use them in small intervals, in little ways on my layouts to add a little bit of texture, color, or whatever it may be. But with all of these supplies comes a lot of responsibility to use them. So I finally want to dive in and play with my mixed media supplies, whatever they might be, between sprays and paints and mists and gels and pastes. Whatever it is, I definitely want to start getting them onto some layouts. So this series will include a lot of different types of videos, mostly process videos, but a couple educational videos here and there to talk about the varieties of supplies that there are, because there are so many types and varieties out on the market. I thought it'd be fun to kind of go through and look at what we all have and what we can possibly do with them. We've got paints and little pots of goodies, and it's just crazy how many different items there are that can add color and texture to a page with just so many different options: watercolors, pastes, gels, whatever gelatos are. You know, there's lots and lots of different stuff out on the market, and I own a ton of it, and I definitely want to get some more use out of it. And there are tons of amazing mixed media artists out there. I am surely a novice, but hopefully if you guys are interested in using some of your mixed media supplies in subtle and minimal ways on your layouts, this will be a great series for you to tune in for. So make sure you're subscribed so you can watch all of the episodes as they come out over the next 3 months. They will be mixed into the other content that's on my channel, so make sure you're looking forward to the playlist that'll be released as it goes on through the next 3 months. That'll include all of the mixed media videos that I include in this series, and they'll all have the same title cards, so you'll know if there's a mixed media focused item within that video. But we also have to talk about some of the tools that come along with mixed media. We've got rubber scrapers, stencils galore. So if you have some of these products, we'll be talking about these as well. I know I've already gotten some questions about some of these rubber scrapers. I bought some more recently and haven't used them still, so I'm really excited to tackle the tool part of mixed media as well. The brushes, the scrapers, all of the above. But hopefully you guys are excited for this new series. This is a just quick short announcement video for you guys to get excited about, but I do want to get your input. Please leave a comment down below with what you want to see. Is it a specific technique? Is it a specific product? Is it watercolor? Is it anything? It could be inks. It could be foam stamps. I've got drawers and drawers of acrylic paints, paint markers, you name it, I probably have it. And if I don't, I might be able to find a substitute for something similar, so I can try to give you guys some ideas. And like I mentioned, this will be mixed in with the other collaborations and projects going on my YouTube channel. So if you guys are definitely interested, make sure you have the notification bell turned on so you don't miss a video throughout this series. And if you guys are interested in getting more content, you can always check out my Patreon, which includes behind the scenes videos for every tier. So that's at least 4 additional videos every month. And you can see mixed media fails like this one. Or I guess it's not a fail, it's just a mixed media layout yet to be. And you can also see how it just is going to go on the floor for now, because I don't know what to do with it yet. But if you guys are excited, please let me know in the comments down below. And I'll have tons of links for you guys to check out for the things I've mentioned in this video so far. But you guys have seen a lot of my stash. You know I have the pastes, the mediums, the paints, the sprays, the gels, the gelatos, whatever it might be. I surely do have it and can probably give you guys some ideas on how to use it. But if there's any specific techniques or styles or specific products you want me to use, please leave a comment down below, because I'd like to incorporate as many as I can over the next 3 months. And like I mentioned before, there's no set schedule for this particular series. They'll just be integrated through the rest of my projects with How to Kill a Kit with Style, the lovely series of 6x6 Fix, Stamp With Me, Stamping for Scrapbookers. All of my recurring series will be incorporated here and there to include some mixed media of some sort. But let me know if you guys are a mixed media novice yourselves, or maybe you're a little bit more of an expert. Whatever it might be, I'm hoping that something here will spark your interest and will join me on this journey for myself to learn a little bit more about mixed media and to utilize it on my projects. But that's it for this short announcements video. Thank you guys so much for tuning in, and I hope you are excited, and if you are, be sure to give it a thumbs up, and again, subscribe so you don't miss out on the rest of this series. But thanks for watching, guys. Bye!